Oh boy. Washers and dryers, 2 dryers and a washer. I don't know if I want this. Oh. Looks like a couple dehumidifiers. I'll take those. Jeez, do I want to do that? Oh I don't know. That thing feels heavy. Guess that answers that. I'm taking it. Cut the cord. Washing machine. Huh. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to take all 3 of these. Okay, I'm happy taking 2 of the 3. I'll get the cord off the 3rd one. What is that? That's not a cord, is it? It's a cord of some kind. Nah, it's just rubber stripping. Which, throw that in the toilet. All right, guys, there we go. First stop of the day. We'll see if I'm still not sure that I wanted that washer and dryer, but I got it now. Now when you're scrap picking, you need sustenance. So a couple sausage, egg, and cheese croissants and donuts. It's just what I need. I can't keep this round shape if I don't feed the beast. See, this is what I'm not sure I want to do. There's a lot of metal in here. Maybe I should pick it up, but I don't know. I'm looking for I'm looking for copper type stuff. I don't see any cords there. I will take the ceiling fan though. I just don't want to get a bunch of metal junk. It's not going to have some additional value. Might be able to get a cord or two here. We'll see. Oh, there's nothing on those. Man. All right. Wow. Hi. How are you? Good. Got a couple smalls. Satellite dish over there. Might grab that. That's probably some decent weight. Man, there's a lot of, I mean, this is like real early in the picking, and I see a lot of cords have been cut already. I've passed on a lot of metal. I'm gonna probably get a couple things here. Just so you guys don't kill me too bad. But yeah, see the cord's gone on this thing too. Gotta get out. Gotta get out early, I guess. But I'll get the motor out of this thing. Those are usually copper. All right, let's keep moving here. Yeah, it looks like this place is getting gutted. Holy cow. Oh, sump pumps. Don't know if they're getting rid of all that stuff. I don't think I want to deal with sump pumps. Looks like got some cord on that. It's kind of heavy. All right, this one's kind of silly, but it's an old record player, man. I don't know if it works. I'll take it. Looks like there's a couple things here. Look at this, an old safe. And a microwave, I'll take that. I don't want the bed frame or anything like that. Okay, so if you guys probably saw, I have a couple things here that I picked up already. A couple microwaves, dehumidifier, computer. Now I got all this stuff. And it's funny because my wife is at like a conference this weekend, and so her car is not in the garage, and it's unfortunate for her because her side now is gonna get full of stuff. That's what you get for leaving. She'll just have to park out in the driveway until I can get through it all. She won't mind, actually. She doesn't care about stuff like that. Okay, so that is, well, I think that's 2 microwaves and a toaster oven, actually. Toaster oven I probably won't do much with. Okay, this stuff got tangled up real good. That's probably just a waste. Can't say I've ever found one of these before. There's more cord on the inside here, so I'll definitely be taking that apart. I wonder if that thing's any good. I doubt it. I mean, it's just a replica anyway, but take that apart. Okay. Broke some glass. Don't even need to break it. So, definitely be taking this apart. These are zinc. And we got some copper in there, I'm sure. Copper motor. Cords. This is heavy steel here. Prepared. And probably didn't need to grab these, but whatever, I did. This is probably aluminum, so I could take this thing apart. Well, that's where all the juice is. Okay. The good thing about all this, if I can get it processed here fairly quickly, I can get all the carcasses and stuff out onto my curb. Then not have to fill up my own bin. Stuff is going to be a dirty mess though, because I got all this debris from my yard makeover, and it's muddy and grassy and just a mess. So didn't do myself any favors. Okay. Yeah, there's water in this thing. Well, how about that? Now, these motors are usually aluminum, but it's still an aluminum motor. I think I'm going to work on getting some of these guts off of here. Let's see. Okay, that's right. Millimeters. I wasn't planning on doing this right now, but it's set up just perfectly. Go to pull it off, and there it all is. And look at this, the motor just is coming right out. So, I mean, that's about as ideal as it gets. Yeah, it's aluminum. It's okay. Still get money for that. More so than if we had just turned this all in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this runs all the way up to the top, so I'll cut that right there. How much more do I want to get off of this thing? Small bit of copper in that. And I'll put that right there. Then, I mean, that's all going to be shred anyway. Well, that broke right off. It's a capacitor. Yeah, all we're going to be doing is getting weight. That's good. We got the important things off it. Look out, watch your fingers. Okay. Huh. This might be millimeters as well. There it is. Made me work for that. So what's in here then? Put you on a tripod so you're not bouncing around. Okay. Tons of screws. All the little ones. Do it that way. Okay. So we got all the wire out of this thing. The top is just coming off now. This is going to be a real pain in the rear to get back into my truck if it's all disassembled. Stay. Just very small cords in the plastic case. I'll take those out. That's what we needed. Low grade. Probably gonna be more low grade here. Yeah, this wasn't worth getting into. Junk. Man, they're, nope, just throw it away. Okay, so to me, it looks like these little things are solenoids. Solenoids. Maybe they're not, but they look like it. If they are, they'll have a little copper in them. I'll take them just in case. Okay. So this washing machine is fully ravaged. Ravaged. Alright, if you watched that, I appreciate you watching. I've got more interesting stuff coming, so keep an eye out for that. My next video, I'm probably going to be taking this dryer apart, and who knows what else. I don't know. It's going to be busy. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.